Hey folks, today I'm working on this 2007 Toyota Avalon. I'm going to be performing an oil change on this one, and I'll be sharing several tips, and hopefully you guys can pick up something that will help you guys in your own vehicle management. Let's go. Alright, all arms in position. Let's pick her up. Next, I'm going to grab my oil caddy, set it underneath my oil pan, grab my tools, and start draining this oil. So here I'm running 5W30 and I'm also running high mileage oil because I have more than 75,000 miles on this engine. I need 6.45 quarts, so I have two containers here, but one is pretty much empty. I'm also running a K&N filter on this engine. I do like K&Ns. They're a bit more expensive, but I certainly think they are worth the money. And this is long overdue, but I'm going to be changing my oil drain plug, and this is the new one that I'm going to be installing. So here is why I'm going to change it. So this is the drain plug currently installed on the vehicle, and this is the new one. The old one is made of steel and the new one is made of aluminum, but it has a silver protrusion there which is actually magnetic. And what the protrusion will do will be to catch small metal debris as they circulate through the oil pan and then through the engine. Remember that the internals of the engine are typically ferrous, meaning they contain some iron and therefore are attracted to the magnetic extrusion. And truly, oil filter technology has come a really long way, and oil filters catch a lot of things, which is why manufacturers don't put these things on their vehicles for the most part. But for debris as small as, for example, 20 microns, we are talking a thousandth of a millimeter. Things like that cannot be caught by the oil filter. So installing a magnetic drain like that, drain plug like that, is good insurance, especially for older vehicles that have large clearances between engine components. You're going to be doing yourself a huge favor using something like this to catch small debris. Now, the caveat to all this is that these aren't very expensive, but you need to be careful when buying these things. You need to make sure you buy a good quality one because rarely though, but sometimes these things have been known to fall off and get into the engine, and occasionally they may get into the engine and cause some engine damage. So you want to get a good quality one if you're getting these things. It's definitely worth the investment, but if you're going to buy this, just buy a good one once and for all. And that is it for the oil drain plug. Let's get to the rest of the job. Next, I'm going to install the new drain plug, the new oil filter, and then I'm going to fill the engine with oil. Always a good idea to clean the oil filter canister thoroughly before you install the new oil filter.
Myself at the spine.
Next, I'm going to check the oil level, start the engine to make sure there are no leaks, and then reset the maintenance required light, and the job should be done.